Hi guys, welcome back to my channel arthi'slife. Today I'll be going to On Top of the World. It's just a small park that's located near Laguna Beach. Follow me along. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more adventures with arthi'slife. Follow me along for the On Top of the World tour. We're just on our way to On Top of the World. So this is it's 10 to 15 minute drive from the Laguna Beach, so it's not that far. So it's pretty much we're just going up the mountain. I can show you guys once I get to the top of the hill. These are the houses. Hi guys, so I'm actually at the Top of the World that's located in Laguna Beach. So it's just like a community park that's located in the Laguna Beach area. The park's real name is Alta Laguna Park, but it's kind of referred to as Top of the World because it's located at north end of the Alta Laguna Blvd. So because you can see when you are on top, this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna hike up down there and show you guys how it is. Such a nice view. We're just gonna hike up, just like up there. We made it to the top. There's barely any people here. There's pretty much nothing, but you just get a really nice view. Let me just walk over to the side. So pretty much the park is named for its elevation. I think it's about 1,000 feet above sea level, and we can pretty much see the whole Orange County from the park. Just from here we can see the whole Orange County. You can even see people just doing little trails. This is on top. So we can see the whole Orange County. Let me just take a look. From this view we can see the ocean. if you guys don't mind the hike, you guys should just come up here and just enjoy the view. And if you do like hiking, you should just like go through the small trails they have over there, and they did have something over there as well. Hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.